Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love.
Hi everyone, it's Dia. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a wonderful new year. Today I thought I'd pop in and show you guys my new pocket Filofax in Malden in Kingfisher Blue. And I thought I would try being on this side of the camera again. I'd like to film this way a little more, maybe film a little more vlog style, but it takes a lot of nerve to get used to being in front of the camera again. And what better day than today, which is my 41st birthday. So happy birthday to me, and let's go ahead and show you guys this flip through. I'm very grateful to Norman over at The Right Touch who sent this Filofax over a few weeks ago, and I've been using it as my wallet ever since. As I said, it's a Filofax Malden in the color Kingfisher Blue, and it is the pocket size. If any of you guys are interested in checking out what Norman has to offer on his online store, The Right Touch, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below along with a code for 25% off, and he does offer free shipping on orders $75 or over. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside. This planner is so cute and tiny, and it's been perfect as my wallet. On the left-hand side, there is a zipper along with a few pockets. In the zipper pocket, it's pretty small, so you can keep some change in there, but it might bulk it up a bit. So all I keep in here is a couple of coupons. In this first pocket, I have this little post-it that I got from the Target dollar spot. I went ahead and laminated it, but I'm really not sure what I'm going to use it for. I just thought it looked cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love my bear stamps, so I took them and I stamped them on some craft paper, cut them out, and glued them to a Project Life card just to make it easier for them to stay in here and so they wouldn't wiggle around. In this middle pocket, I just have our dental cards that I put in here temporarily. And in this last pocket, I'll usually just put receipts. I wanted to have a unique dashboard for this Filofax, so I decided to gather some of my Tim Holtz ephemera and my bear stamps and just some Project Life cards, and I have a little doily on here that I tea stained, and I glued them all down together, and then I laminated them and punched some holes in them. After that, I have this little piece of acetate that I got from Michael's and just cut down and put in here. I just thought it looked really cute over the hello divider. For the dividers, I've done what I have done in the past, and I went ahead and opened up a Word document, printed out the words that I wanted each tab to be named, and then I stuck washi tape over those words, sent it through the printer again, and very delicately peeled them off and stuck them on each divider. The first divider I have is my shopping divider. In here I just keep lists, like little running grocery lists, things I need to pick up at Michael's. I got these from Peanuts and Planner Co. on Etsy. She has wonderful printables. They are excellent quality. Everything lines up perfectly and they're very easy to cut. I thought the lines might be a little bit too small to write on, but they're actually perfect. If you want a lot of wonderful ideas on using her printables, you should check out the Planner Spot. There are tons of ideas and it is a wonderful place to find inspiration. The next tab I have is my list section, and in here I keep things like my daughter's wish list and also the makeup that I use. My husband has been bugging me forever to write this down in a place where it'll be with me at the store because it never fails. Every time I'm about to buy new makeup, I'll have to call my kids at home to snap a picture of it so that I can remember what color it is. The next tab is my menu tab, and I also got this from Peanuts and Planner Co. on Etsy. I use it as 2 days on a page, and all I list out is our dinners. It kind of gives me a general idea, so if I need to pull out something in the morning to defrost, I won't forget to do that. After that is my daily tab, which of course is another printable from Peanuts and Planner Co. And I really like these because I'm able to divide my day into 4 different sections: my photography business, my planner business, home life, and a lot of times we have stuff going on for the school. So I'm able to divide up the tasks for each of those areas of my life. To easily get to my daily pages, I do use the ruler that came with the Filofax, and I was watching a video by Cassie Cross. I'll go ahead and link that video down below, And she had this really cute idea of putting a charm on her ruler. So I got a tiny hole puncher, punched it, and put this charm on here that I got from a local toy store a while back. It just has a little elephant on it. Then I just have a tab that I labeled paper. In here I just keep the paper that came with the Filofax. I use these to jot down ideas really fast. If I need to write something down and give it to somebody, I can just jot it in here and rip it out. Lastly is my card section. In this section, I have another little piece of acetate just to make it look cute. And I got these card holders on Amazon. They hold 4 cards per sleeve. They are the Filofax brand sleeves, and I don't know if you can see on here, but they normally have these little dividers that go down the center of them so that your cards don't slide too deep in them. But as you can see, the cards in this one on the left are a lot shorter than the one on the right. And it's because the line broke, so they slide in deeper than they're supposed to. And if you're not careful, they can slide all the way down to the bottom, but that doesn't happen very easily. In this one, it keeps them from sliding all the way, so they stick up like this, but I think I actually prefer that they be further inside. I don't like them sticking up like this. And after that, I just have this little sleeve that came with the Filofax. I keep an extra check in here, along with this business card that Norman sent me, and it has his little coupon code on it so I don't forget. The pen I'm currently carrying is this little pen from Daiso. I am not in love with it at all. It's just a temporary pen, and I thought the ink was beautiful. It is a .38 and it's an extremely fine pen. I like how thin it is, but it seems like it runs out of ink sometimes, so I have some more pens coming from Amazon, but this is what I'm using in the meantime. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through, and I hope you got a few ideas from it as well. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone is having as wonderful a new year as I am right now. And if you liked this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below too. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.